Hello, everyone. Today, I want to demonstrate how you can change the voice of a song to your favorite singer. First, you need to open your web browser. After opening it, you should go to this website. You'll find the link in the description, and its name is Kitesurf. As soon as you arrive on this website, you can see that I'm changing my voice to sound like Justin Bieber. If you haven't watched the previous video where I showed how we can create such voices, you'll find the link in the description, and you'll see it on your screen. Let's see how we can change the voice we created earlier into the voice of a celebrity, like Justin Bieber or any other celebrity. Let's scroll down a bit. Here, you'll find a button called Add and Drop File. Click on it. After clicking, you'll see many options. Here, you need to set the song you want to change into your favorite singer's voice. For example, I double-clicked on it, and where it got uploaded, I'll listen to it first and then switch it to Justin Bieber's voice.
With what we're worth, for all the beauty you possess.
This was the original voice that I generated earlier. Now, let's convert it. You'll find a Convert button here. Click on it. After clicking, the conversion process will start. There you go. Your favorite singer's voice has been generated. Let's play it and see how it turned out. This is the voice that we provided with the lyrics earlier.
Good morning, dear Mother Earth. May we laugh to dozens. We must do our best to...
If you want to download it, there's another button here, Download. If you click it, the audio will be downloaded. If you want to listen to it with the voices of other celebrities, you need to click on Convert again. After clicking, you'll see various celebrity options. Here, you can upload your audio and generate it in their voices. That's how you can listen to your song in your favorite singer's voice. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.